Some more Mormon cult, Muslim cult, Saudi Arabian Muslim stuff to look for at the clubs and the bars and parties. And once again, I don't have a musical ear, but I'm going to try and get these down in a short video just for that for purpose, excuse me, and join them all together. Dun, 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 and then it repeats again and again and again. These are the brain dead. Been done too many drugs, I think, and I'll get more. Remember, do that intel for America. You find out where these folks are, and yes, obviously doing drugs. They'll talk. You provide the right incentive. 24/7 noise, calls 24/7. You'll figure it out. It's intel for America.